Right, so we're going to look at how to make text that appears and disappears. So I'm going into my drafts and I'm going to have a little look at this one that we've looked at before. And I go hit the back button to go and edit it. And then we've got this text up here, Friday Night Fun. If I click on it, you can see edit or saturation. If I do saturation and I drag from the left, then I can change when it appears. Now, if I then add some more text, then what you do, because you need to tie it up with the other one. So let's say this has got to appear after the second one. So there's the first one appearing, and then I watch as it disappears, and then the second one arrives. There you go. That's how you record bits of text that appear and disappear after each other. Take care.